All right. Anyway, let's see the answers. Number 2. B. What is the answer?
Some sugar.
Yes, add some sugar.
Add some sugar. Taste lime.
Add some sugar and lime. Add කරන්නලු sugar lime උයි මොකටද? For what? To taste. Add some sugar and lime to taste. Right. C.
Wash
the fruits
and peel them.
Very good. Wash the fruits and peel them. පළතුරු හොදලා ඒවා peel කරන්න. What is the meaning of peel?
සුද්ධ කරන.
ඔව් සුද්ධ කරනවා. Next one. Next one.
Next. Cut into
Next, cut into pieces and put into a small ball. චූටියට කපලා ball එකකට කපලා පොඩි ball එකකට දාගන්න. Next, cut into pieces. ඕන නම් පුතේ මේක මෙහෙම කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Next, cut into small pieces and put into a ball කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. එකත් හරි. If not, you can say next, cut into pieces and put into a small ball. Both ways are correct. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
All right. Last one. Keep
In a
refrigerator to cool. Then the sentences should be like this. Serve with custard or ice cream. Add some sugar and lime to taste. Wash the fruits and peel them. Next, cut into pieces and put into a small ball. Keep in a refrigerator to cool. Right? Then what is the order? What should we do first? C is the first one. Wash the fruits and peel them. Number 2 is G. Next, cut into pieces and put into a small ball. B is 3. Add some sugar and lime to taste. And E is fourth one. Keep in a refrigerator to cool. And the last one is A. Serve with custard or ice cream. Is it clear?
yes, teacher.
All right. Now what you need to do is so you have to do activity 14. What you need to do is, here are some negative and positive qualities of a leader. Leader කෙනෙක්ගේ නායකයෙක්ට තියෙන ඕන positive qualities and negative qualities. You can see here on activity 14. So you have to sort them. ඒ කියන්නේ positive ඒවා මොනවද, negative ඒවා මොනවද කියලා fix කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. You have to do it. Just write down P and N. If it is positive quality, you just write in the answer column, it's P. And if it's negative, just write down the letter N. Clear? Do it fast.
Yes, teacher.
Do it fast. Do it fast. Shall we discuss the answers?
Okay, teacher.
All right. Number 1, being calm and thoughtful. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Being calm and thoughtful. What is the meaning of calm?
ඉවසීම.
Yes, you seem thoughtful.
දුරදිග සිතා බැලීම.
Yes, good. Number 2, always shouting at others. හැමතිස්සෙම අනික් අයට කෑ ගහනවා. Always shouting at others.
Negative.
Yes. Being example to others. අනිත් අයට example එකක් වෙනවා. අනිත් අයට උදාහරණයක් ආදර්ශයක් වෙනවා.
Positive.
Strict හැබැයි but kind or understanding. හැබැයි කරුණාවන්තයි. අනික් අයව තේරුම් ගන්නවා.
Positive.
Positive. Being proud and reserved.
Positive.
Being proud ආඩම්බර වැඩි. He is much ආඩම්බර වෙනවා එයාගේ. Negative. Negative. Being kind and polite in giving commands. කරුණාවන්තයි. Commands දෙනකොට හරිම polite.
Positive.
Positive. Accept everyone in the same manner without any discrimination. වෙනසක් නැතුව. Yes. පුතේ positive. වෙනසක් නැතුව without any discrimination. කිසිම වෙනසක් නැතුව accept everyone in the same manner. හැමෝම එකම විදිහට සලකනවා. It's positive. Condemning insult others. අනික් අයව කොන් කරනවා.
Negative.
අනික් අයව අපහසුතාවයට පත් කරනවා. Yes, negative. Appreciate teamwork.
Positive.
Positive. Boasting and abusing the power vested upon him. එයාට තියෙන power එක negative. Yes. වැරදි විදිහට පාවිච්චි කරනවා. Now, let's see activity 13 too. Activity 13 අපි එකට කරමු. What you need to do is give the correct form of the verbs given within brackets. Bracket එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන verb එකේ මොකක්ද හරිම form එක correct form එක select කරලා ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. අපි correct verb form එක හොයන්න මේ sentence එක ඇතුලෙන් hint එකක් කොහොම හරි හොයා ගන්න ඕන. We have to find a small hint, even a small hint. පොඩි හරි hint එකක් හොයා ගන්න ඕන. කොයි verb form එකද එන්නේ කියලා හිතා ගන්න. Look, the first one. What it says, it started from have and it's a question. Right. එහෙනම් have you blank of any prehistoric mammals? දැන් මේ වාක්‍ය තේරුම දැනගන්න ඕන නෑ. ඇත්තටම මේ වාක්‍යයේ verb එකේ form එක මොකක්ද කියලා හොයාගන්න. If you can identify the verb pattern. So sentence pattern එක අහට click වෙනවා නම් if it clicks to your eye and mind, no need to find the meaning. මේක මොන જાතියේ වාක්‍යයක්ද?
Present perfect.
Very good. Present perfect. අපිට තිබිච්ච එකම hint එක තමයි මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන have. Clear? Present perfect නම් verb එක මොකක්ද වෙන්න ඕන?
Verb 3.
Verb 3. Then what is the answer?
Heard.
Heard. Heard. Number 2. A documentary on the life of dinosaurs blank at the next meeting. Right. දැන් අපිට මේකේ අපිට තියෙන hint එක මොකක්ද? Next meeting. Next meeting නම් මේ වාක්‍ය අනිවාර්යෙන්ම future වෙන්න ඕන.
Future.
future එකක් තමයි. දැන් මෙතන a documentary on the life of dinosaurs කිව්වහම මේක active voice වාක්‍යයක් නෙමෙයි කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ recognize කරගන්න ඕන. Because object එක තමයි මෙතන main වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මේක perceive. Simple present in perceive. Sorry, simple future in perceive. එතකොට answer එක කොහොමද වෙන්න ඕන? Will be screened. Will be screened. Because passive voice tenses ભેදයක් නැහැ. passive voice tenses අතේදීම අපි use කරන්නේ verb එකේ third form එක නිසා. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
All right. Number 3. Some animals miraculously in the ice age. In the ice age hint එක තමයි අපිට මෙතනින් හම්බෙනවා. In the ice age. දැන් අපිට අපි දන්නවා ice age එක දැන් already close. ඒ කාලේ දැන් ඉවරයි. එහෙනම් මේක මොන tense එකක්ද?
Survived.
Yes, past tense එකක්. මේක past tense එකක්. එතකොට some animals subject එකක් තියෙනවා. එතකොට මේක simple past tense එකක්. The answer is survived. Next one. The excavations are still on with the enrollment of many archaeologists. මට කියන්න මේ වාක්‍ය active voice ද passive voice ද?
Passive.
passive. Still තියෙනවා නම් තවමත් කියන අර්ථය එනවා නම් මේක present tense එකක් තමයි. මොන present tense එකක් වෙන්න ඕනද?
Present.
Present continuous in passive. The excavations are still been
Gone.
Yes, been gone. At school, skoledi, we were අපි how dinosaurs extinct. අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා. We were taught. Yes, we were taught. Passive. Right. At the gate for 1 hour. Right. The hint is for 1 hour. කාලයක් තිස්සේ පැයක කාලයක් තිස්සේ බලාගෙන ඉඳලා තියෙනවා at the gate. But still no sign of bus. තාම බස් එකක සලකුණක්වත් නැහැ. කාලයක් තිස්සේ කරමින් ඉඳලා මේ දැනුත් කරන දේවල් ඒ කියන්නේ එක තැනකදී start කරලා still now මේ දැනුත් අපි ඒක කර කර ඉන්නවා නා. අපි ඒ වගේ actions කියන්නේ use කරන tense pattern එක මොකක්ද? මතක් කරන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ draw කරා charts ඇන්දා. කාලයක් තිස්සේ කර කර ඉන්නවා තාමත් කරනවා. What's it? Present perfect.
Perfect.
Continuous. Present perfect continuous. I have been waiting at the gate for 1 hour, but still no sign of a bus. මම පැයක් තිස්සේ ගේට්ටුව ගාව බලාගෙන ඉඳමින් ඉන්නවා. But still no sign of a bus. බස් එකක සලකුණක්වත් නැහැ. Number 7. Father has. This is very easy. Has දැක ගමන් අපි දන්නවා මේක මොන ජාතිය වාක්‍යයක්ද? Perfect.
Simple present.
No. Father has.
Simple
Present perfect. Present perfect. Present perfect. Father has given instructions to the driver to drop us near the school gate. A trip blank organized by the class teacher, and we went to the rock fortress in Sigiriya. එතකොට මේක active ද passive ද? Active ද passive ද?
passive.
Passive. Was organized. A trip was organized. This one is a common usage එකක් තියෙන tense එකක්. Our school was found. Passive. People ජීවත් වෙමින් ඉන්න. People living by the Kalani River. Kalani ගඟ ළඟ ජීවත් වෙන මිනිස්සු. People living by Kalani River. Clear? Is this clear for you?
Yes, teacher.
All right. Then close your books and take your grammar books. Take your grammar books. And here also, meaning of these adverbs in page number 51. The first one quickly, what is the meaning?
Ikmani.
Ikmaning. Next one slowly.
Himi.
Happily.
Saturday.
Right. Sadly.
Duke.
Right. Correctly.
Nivaradi.
Yes. Angrily.
Tarahakari lesa.
Hurry. Softly.
Mrudu lesa.
All right. Roughly.
Shalu.
Yes. Rarulesa. Bravely.
Nirbhita lesa.
Timidly.
Ahinsaka. Hila.
නිකන් අර අපි කාට හරි නිකන් කාගේ හරි නිකන් යටත් වෙනවා වගේ අර බය අඩු ගතිය කියන්නේ. That's it. එතකොට මේ පැත්තෙන් තියෙනවා verb එක quick, slow, happy, sad, correct, angry, soft, rough, brave, timid, and in next side, in the other side, අනිත් side එකේ තියෙනවා adverb set එක. Here what you need to do is මොකද්ද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ? You have to find out suitable adverbs for the following verbs. What you need to do is you have to find the correct adverbs. දැන් ඔයගලන්ට හිතා ගන්න බෑ නේද කොහෙද මේකේ adverbs ටික තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Can you imagine? පුතේ look මේ හැම මේ වාක්‍යයක්ම ඉවර වෙන තැන there's a printing mistake. This is a printing mistake. මේ තියෙන්නේ මම underline කරන words පේනවාද? Can you see the words that I am going to underline?
Yes, teacher.
Those are the adverbs, right? මේ ටික තමයි adverbs ටික. What you need to take as answers. මේ ටික තමයි answers විදිහට ඔයගොල්ලෝ take out කරන්න ඕන adverbs ටික. Let's do this together. මේක එකට කරමු. Otherwise අපිට වෙලාව මදි වේවි. So let's do together. The first one, the two boys crept into the bush. පරිස්සමින් bush එක අස්සේ crept කරා. How to say?
Necessarily.
Carefully. The two boys carefully crept into the bush. Wait. Carefully ගන්න නැතුව අපි දාමු.
Immediately.
නෑ. සද්ද නැතුව. Quietly. The two boys quietly crept into the bush. Right? Number 2. The child was asked to read the lesson. The child was asked to read the lesson. Lesson එක යාට කියවන්න කිව්වා කොහමද?
Cleverly.
No, aloud. Hying. Aloud. Hying. Aloud. Number 3. They packed the eggs in the box. Box එකේ ඒගොල්ලෝ pack කරා බිත්තර ටික කොහමද?
Carefully.
Good. Carefully. I want to meet him. ඉක්මනින්ම. Immediately. I felt මට දැනෙනවා that mother was speaking. අපේ අම්මා කතා කරමින් හිටියා කොහමද? How?
Cleverly.
No. Kindly. The boy looked at the sweets. පිරිමි ළමයා sweets දිහා බැලුවා කොහමද? පෙරේත විදිහට. Yes, greedily. පෙරේත විදිහට greedily. Then he blank left the room. හොරෙන්ම ගියා. සද්ද නැතුවම ගියා.
Silently.
Silently. The twin sisters got through the examination successfully. Right? And next one. These children are studying
Excited.
මහන්සියෙන්. No පුතේ. මහන්සියෙන්.
Cleverly.
Hard. මහන්සියෙන්. Studying hard. 10. I feel that you are wasting your money. තේරුමක් නැතුව. අවශ්‍ය නැති දේ-
Unnecessarily.
unnecessarily. She usually speak to me very. She usually
Clever.
speak. No. Excitedly. We were waiting for mother. Anxiously. They blank buy vegetables from the village fair. ඒගොල්ලෝ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පුරුදු විදිහට usually good.
Usual.
The two little girls were walking along the fence quite playfully. Yes.
Carefully.
And the last one, my little brother solved all the mathematical problems quite cleverly. දක්ෂ ලෙස. Right? Target completed. These what I wanted you to do today. මේ ටික තමයි අද කරන්න ඕනුනේ පුතේ. So I think the lessons are clear for you. I think so. Is it so clear? Was it clear for you?
Yes, teacher.
All right. I think you enjoyed the lessons. Okay. I'm going to finish the lesson for today. So I hope you will join on next week too. Next week again join when that at the same time. Use කරන්න මේ අද use කරපු meeting ID එකම. එතකොට පුතේ අද ඔයගලගේ dictation words ටික මට මේ number එකටම WhatsApp කරන්න. අර නමත් පේන විදිහට capture කරගන්න. හැමෝම dictation words එවන්න. Last week එකේ මම දැක්කා කීප දෙනෙක් මට එවලා තිබුණේ නැහැ. So don't do that. ඒක කරන්න එපා. So send me your dictation words, the photo of your dictation words. So practice words. You have new 10 words today. New 10 words today. 10 new words today. So practice it. You have to write it on next week too. So see you guys. See you on next week. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.